Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Naveed, a dedicated practitioner of functional medicine. Today, we are going to unravel the significant process of detoxification, a vital mechanism that our body employs to maintain our health amidst a world laden with toxins. Our daily encounters stretch from processed foods, environmental pollutants, to synthetic chemicals, all of which introduce toxins into our bodies. Over time, these toxins can accumulate and interfere with our body's normal functioning, leading to various health issues. The liver's role in detoxification. At the core of our body's detoxification system is the liver, a remarkable organ tasked with filtering our blood to remove harmful substances and prepare them for elimination. Supporting liver function is paramount to effective detoxification. A well-functioning liver can break down toxins and prepare them for elimination through urine or bile. Dietary support for detoxification. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in detoxification. Consuming a diverse range of whole, unprocessed foods provides the essential nutrients that support liver function and other detox pathways. Cruciferous vegetables, berries, nuts, seeds, and quality protein sources are just a few of the dietary choices that can fuel the detoxification process. Importance of hydration. Hydration is another cornerstone of effective detoxification. Adequate water intake aids in flushing toxins from our system and supporting kidney function. Make it a habit to consume pure, clean water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Lifestyle practices for detoxification. Beyond diet and hydration, lifestyle practices like regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management significantly contribute to our body's ability to detoxify. Engaging in activities that promote sweating, such as exercise or sauna use, can also help expel toxins through the skin. Detoxification is not about fad diets or short-term cleanses. It's about cultivating a lifestyle that supports your body's innate ability to cleanse itself. By nurturing our body's detoxification system through wholesome dietary and lifestyle choices, we pave the way towards enhanced health and well-being. Thank you for tuning in. Embrace a lifestyle conducive to effective detoxification and experience the transformative impact on your health. Stay tuned for more insights on achieving optimal health through functional medicine. Until next time, take care and be well.